If you're looking to customize reports in teamwork.com, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to make the most of Teamwork's reporting features. Stay tuned till the end because I'll also reveal how you can access Teamwork for free with exclusive bonuses just by using the link below. Now let's dive into customizing reports. Teamwork.com offers a variety of pre-built report templates, but customizing them to suit your unique needs can help you gain deeper insights into your team's performance, project timelines, and resource allocation. First, when you're logged into Teamwork, head over to the Reports tab in the top menu. This is where all your reporting tools live. To start, you'll want to select a report type. Teamwork offers several options such as task reports, time tracking reports, and project reports. Let's say we're working on a task report. Click on Task Reports to get started. From here, you can filter data based on specific criteria such as dates, assignees, or task status. If you're tracking task progress, you can also choose which columns to display, like priority, completion percentage, or due dates. Once you've selected the right filters for your report, you can save your customized view for easy access later. This saves you time on future reports since you won't need to reapply filters every time. Customizing the columns is also key. For example, you can remove any columns that aren't relevant to your current needs and add new ones, like task descriptions or tags. You can even sort your data based on different variables. If you're focusing on task completion, for instance, sorting by the percentage completed can give you a quick overview of project progress. Now, one powerful feature in Teamwork is the ability to export reports. Whether you prefer CSV, PDF, or Excel, you can easily export your customized reports to share with your team or stakeholders. Just click on the export option and choose the file format that works best for you. This is perfect for when you need to present information in a meeting or send over a detailed report via email. But here's where it gets even better. If you want to get really specific, you can combine multiple filters and use the custom date ranges. This is ideal if you're tracking a team's performance over several weeks, months, or even a full quarter. You can adjust your report settings to match exactly what you're looking for so there's no guesswork involved. And it doesn't stop there. Teamwork lets you schedule reports too. This means you don't have to manually generate a report every time you need one. Set up your customized report to automatically run at regular intervals and get delivered straight to your inbox. It's a huge time saver, especially for recurring reports like weekly progress updates or monthly financial reviews. Finally, don't forget that you can also customize your report's visual style. Whether you need it for internal use or to show off to clients, making your reports visually appealing with color coding, pie charts, or bar graphs can help your data stand out and be more easily interpreted. Now that you know how to customize reports in teamwork.com, there's one more thing I want to mention. You can start using the software completely free, and we have an exclusive extended free trial with special bonuses just for you. Simply check the link below to get started today and begin exploring all the reporting features Teamwork has to offer. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to customize reports in teamwork.com to fit your needs perfectly. Whether it's for internal project tracking or client-facing reports, Teamwork helps you get the job done efficiently.